What if I told you that a war most people can't even locate on a map is already shaping the future of your phone, your car, and your economy? This is not just Congo's war. It is a global chain reaction hiding in plain sight. What happens in Congo does not stay in Congo. It travels through minerals, money, and power, and the world is pretending not to see it. Why this matters now? Who wins and who loses? If Congo stabilizes, entire global supply chains change. If Congo burns, powerful nations profit quietly. Tech companies need Congo's minerals to survive. Governments need instability to control access. Africa loses lives while others gain leverage. Consumers pay more without knowing why. And silence becomes the most expensive cost of all.
Congo holds over half of the world's cobalt reserves. Cobalt powers smartphones, electric cars, and military tech. Every major tech economy depends on it. Yet Congo remains poor, unstable, and fragmented. Armed groups fight endlessly over mining regions. Foreign interests never fully leave, they just change names. Chaos keeps resources cheap and control invisible. Example: when global demand for electric vehicles surged, violence near cobalt mines also increased, not by coincidence, but by pressure. Here is what everyone missed. Here's what most people miss. Congo's war is not a failure of Africa. It is a success of exploitation. Stability would force fair pricing and accountability. Instability allows deniability and profit. That's why peace talks stall and conflicts recycle. The war survives because it serves global systems too well.
Congo is not cursed. It is central. Its soil powers the modern world. Its suffering subsidizes global comfort. Ignoring Congo doesn't protect you, it blinds you. Because the future is being mined there right now. So the question is, who should really be held responsible? Do you think Congo's war is accidental or engineered by demand? Here is a takeaway lesson for humanity. As long as you are concerned, show that by sharing what you think should be done. A world that consumes without questioning creates invisible victims. Technology is not neutral when its foundation is suffering. Silence is not ignorance, it is participation. True progress cannot be built on permanent instability. Africa's pain is often the mirror of global convenience. Justice starts when responsibility replaces excuses, and history always exposes what economics tries to hide.
Africa, this is not a time for division. Not tribe against tribe. Not language against language. Not borders drawn by others against our own blood. Every empire that ruled the world understood one thing: unity comes before power. They fear Africa united more than Africa poor. They profit from our confusion more than our weakness. The time has come for Africans everywhere, home and diaspora, to think beyond ethnicity, beyond old wounds, beyond manufactured differences. Not to rush, not to fight blindly, but step by step, with clarity, knowledge, and vision. Africa has risen before, and history always repeats itself. If you believe Africa's time has come again, like this video. If you believe unity is stronger than division, subscribe. And if you believe the world will feel Africa's voice again, share this message. Because awakenings don't start with noise. They start with belief.